Hey, it's Tom Z with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I want to teach you how to get value out of the things that you've actually done. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. I received an email from someone who was considering attending one of my events, but they said the problem is that they've been to a lot of different events over the years and quote unquote, nothing's worked for them yet. And it was interesting. So when I engaged this person in a little more conversation, I said, what is it about these events that's not working for you? What is it about what you've learned that isn't working? What's broken? Because I was suspicious that it was maybe a little bit more to that story than it seemed. And surprise, surprise, there was. When I asked this person, what is it that why have you gone to these events? What did you expect to get out of it? Every time it was effectively like a bright, shiny object syndrome. It's like, oh, if I go to the event, it's going to start raining money. If I go to the event, I'm going to learn how to make, cash machines just start spewing out money everywhere you go. Well, that's not really the case, and that's not really what was ever going to happen. So if that person believed that from the beginning, that's what the real issue is. Because here's the thing, you have to actually implement to win. There's a reason I call my bootcamp the Rapid Cash Generator Implementation Bootcamp, because the key to it is actually in implementing what you've learned. Not just taking notes and not just understanding the concept, but actually going home after the event and implementing what it is that I've showed you how to do, because then and only then can you actually get results. Results come from the implementation. So the reason I call it the Implementation Bootcamp is because we focus on, at the event, actually implementing the things that I'm teaching you in real time as we go. Because this has been a big issue for a lot of people. I realized, wait a minute, if no one's actually implementing what it is that they're supposed to be doing, then no wonder why they're not getting any results. So rather than push the responsibility of implementing onto you afterwards, I said, let's do it so that you can be implementing on the spot as we go. So as I'm teaching you how to find real estate deals, you go and find real estate deals. As I'm teaching you how to negotiate a solid real estate deal with good profits, you get to go practice the actual art and science of negotiation so that you're getting experience as you go. That way, whoa, that was a loud bus. That way, rather than leaving the event with a to-do list that you're never actually going to get around to, you leave the event with the experience of already being in motion, of already having things moving and rolling, of already knowing what it is that you're doing, what you need to do, and what you need to do more of. That is the point of having an implementation bootcamp. Is my implementation bootcamp right for you? I don't know. What I suggest you do is go to my website, tractionrealestatementors.com, click on the link for Implementation Bootcamp and read about it. See if it's something that makes sense. See if you think it's a good fit. See if you think that you would actually benefit from implementing on the spot and then be able to carry that on afterwards. So rather than go home not knowing what to do, I'm going to show you exactly what it is that you need to do. I'm going to hold your hand and walk you through that process throughout the 3-day event, and then you'll be hitting the ground, not running, you'll hit the ground sprinting so that you're ready to move ahead with building your business the right way. If you're the kind of person that's obsessed with bright, shiny objects and what the latest fad is and how you think something's going to magically just start making it rain money, then my bootcamp's not for you either. Because I don't teach things that magically make it rain money. It actually takes a little bit of, dare I say it, work. And I know work is a 4-letter word to most people. Yeah, it's going to take a little bit of work to implement what I want to put into place. But the benefit is that give up just a couple days with me, it's like getting a full-on university education in real estate investing. We talk about how to find deals, how to make deals, and how to get paid. That's contracts and control. That's a full education on exactly what it takes to be successful in real estate investing. Now the missing key, the missing piece is quite simply you. So if you're going to do it, and if you're not worried about bright, shiny objects, and if you actually want to be able to implement something that you've done and not just say, hey, I learned that, and now what? If you want to know what those next steps are and already be in the process of implementing those next steps, then I encourage you to check out my bootcamp. Go to tractionrealestatementors.com and click on the link for Implementation Bootcamp. If you liked this video and got something out of it, do me a favor and click the like button below and share it with more great people just like you, because I'm sure you know of other people who are also struggling to implement, and we can solve that problem. For TractionRealEstateMentors.com, it's Tom Zeeb signing off.